means sending huge number of packets from one system to another computer is called denial of service. So normally this another computer is a web server running on somewhere on the world and running a website, and what attacker does is he will send huge number of packets from their system to the web server. So web server cannot handle those many requests, and what it does is it will crashes. That's called denial of service. And sometimes even if you say the website Amazon, even in the big billion days you can see that Amazon website is slow or crashed. It's because a lot of traffic is coming to the server, and if this attack is performed by many computers, then it's called distributed denial of service. That means here normal denial of service contains only sending huge packets from one computer, but if it is performed from many other computers, then it is called distributed denial of service. So these black hat hackers combinedly will do the distributed denial of service against some particular organization or a web server. So the main intention is to crash the web server and make sure that that website is not available for some people. Denial of service